welcome back. So, katapos lang namin maglinis and usually pag Saturday, always routine cleaning yun ng OR pag wala masyadong case and wala masyadong surgery. We usually do wall-to-wall cleaning and nililipat namin yung ibang gamit sa ibang OR suite. So, ngayon katapos lang namin maglinis. Katapos lang namin maglinis and magla-lunch muna ako since hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Sir JP, okay ka pa? Okay ka pa dyan? Ayos pa. Ayos pa? Okay. Naalala ko guys, wala pala akong lunch. Mag-order na lang ako para makakain tayo. Masyado naman akong oily. Oily? Masyadong oily. Ano yan? Hindi ko alam kung mag-order ako or what. Mag-order na lang ba ako ng food? Mag-order o bababa? I don't know. Kanina pa ako nag-iisip. Parang masarap ng brownies. Masarap ng brownies! Sarap! Hi ka naman.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never
Say
understand.
hi to my vlog. Hi! Nagbablog po ako.
Ay, nagbablog ka po. Hello po sa mga followers ni Ma'am Macy. Alam niyo po, si Ma'am Macy, alam niyo na.
Kain na tayo, Ma'am Cecil.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Thank you, Ma'am. Ay naman dyan, yun.
Hey! Hey!
Or, dapat bababa ako, pero binigyan na ako ng food ng mga kuya. Thank you so much. Hi naman kayo, guys.
Hi!
Hi! Busy sila. Oh, sarap na. Adobo. Anong kaguluhan magaganap dyan? Huling-huli kayo, guys. What is that? Wow. Plain strawberry ube. Magkano yung ube?
Ube? Ganun din.
Review. How is it, guys? I want to know the ratings.
Usahan mo yung contrast ng sweetness and ng alat.
Wow! Okay. Okay naman. Gusto naman natin makuha yung kanyang verdict. How's the strawberry flavor for you?
Masarap po. Tapos malambot yung tinapay.
Mm.
Masarap yung pag-blend ng flavors.
Oh, nice. Okay. Tag ko. Hi.
Singkamas.
Baka nabalatan natin. Wait lang. As we
Vlog,
sit.
ito my guys.
Hi. Say hi.
Kakain kayo
Ibabalat
ha.
tayo ng singkamas
Binalatan
ngayon,
na.
guys. Kasama natin si Sir Mike.
Pwede na ba guys singkamas na may sa sausaw sa kape?
So, sa kape. Ah, lasa nun.
Ngayon pala namin ito try.
Ay, oo nga. Sige, mag-experiment tayo. So, yun.
Half-half lang. Muna.
Mabilis lang siya balatan eh, oh. No?
Yeah.
Look at the view. And, and update guys. We have a start procedure. Open 80. Let's go. Guys, and finally done with my duty. So, uwi na tayo. It's already 11 p.m. and I'm just waiting for my joyride rider going home. We're going home na. So, I think that's it for our vlog today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. And if you guys want more videos and vlogs, just comment, give me a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.